I tell you every day the man come 5 o'clock in the morning, tell you what to do, and the man just go with the boss. You don't know, Raul?
Come here.
Huh?
Come here.
There are about 10 plyboard there, so I need you to bring them in, yeah? Let me tell you something. Yeah, babe. I working, you working, that's it. Okay? You no boss, okay? Tu eres no el jefe, okay? Just go for the bumbuckler thing, them and stop running off your mouth, brother. I'm telling you, happy, you have to work, I work, that's it. I'm gonna call Mr. Simpson.
Bust up your blood clot. Hey, listen, tie 2 hours to tie up your bumbo clot. Listen, you hear what me say?
I'm telling you, you think you're the boss, boy, complain about everything. I don't like that. You tell me to do everything. We have to do it together. Yeah, put it on that thing. I'll call you back. Yeah, babe? I'm gonna call Mr. Simpson. That's it. Hey, what's up, guys? Yeah, what's up, bro? Hello. Yeah, M&J, delivery over here. I got some concrete, yeah. Deal with him. Guy know everything. Deal with everything. Come and do something. You say you want to do something, you don't want to do nothing. You don't want to do nothing?
Here again, my God.
Yeah, man, deal with everything, brother. This is crazy. What do you have here? Yeah, I got concrete out there, but I can't bring the truck over here because ice is out there.
Me say what?
Oh, ice.
Oh! Hell no.
Where? Outside in front?
Watch your God. Watch your God. Me rock stone.
Yo. Where y'all going? What you mean? No ice from the snow. It's turned into ice. I can't bring the truck around, so I'm just trying to figure out. Papi, you couldn't do that, Papi. You don't run them here, bro. What the fuck?
Go and drain out your egg.
You don't do that, Papi. That's no funny. No, that ice from the snow, Papa.
I'm gonna start. Me say no man, no bother with it, man. Do. You hear me, brethren?
I get too aggressive.
Yes, man.
Okay? Eso es muy serio, papi. I don't do that, okay? I don't laugh, bro. Okay? No, I know, but I'm just saying. I'm not talking about ice immigration ice. I'm talking about ice. No me estoy riendo, papi. I tell you something right now. That's no funny, man.
Right, I'm gonna go bring the truck.
I call Mr. Simpson telling this is no good.
Lord Jesus! Love Topic TV.
You serious?